Hello, it doesn't matter that my camera quality is not good. Even it doesn't matter that I'm from a middle class family or a poor family. It doesn't matter that I'm not fluent in English. I'm not a good speaker. I make mistakes. It doesn't matter because from mistake we will learn. If you wanna learn any new language, then you have to practice. Practice is work like a magic. So if you practice a lot, you can speak English better than me. So you have to practice every day if you wanna learn English, but you don't know that how to start, where to start, then I will help you. I'm with you. I can help you. So if you are a beginner and if you are very interested in English, then you can start your English journey from today. Don't waste your valuable time. Don't make excuse. Don't say I will learn English from tomorrow. I will start my English journey from tomorrow. No, don't make any excuse like that. Rather, you should start your English journey from today, from this moment. You are now watching my video. So, you can repeat after me. I am trying to speak English very slowly so that you can understand me very easily. So you can just pause the video and repeat the sentence that I have already said. And this is the way. Try to copy my tone. And yeah, I think if you follow me, if you watch my videos every day, you can improve your English very easily. So that's it for today. If you like these kind of videos, then don't forget to share, don't forget to comment. Goodbye and have a good day.